Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is Florea fig. We love Florea fig because it is the earliest fig we get. We're up in the maritime Pacific Northwest in the San Juan Islands, and it gets very cool up here in the summer. So we just don't get the heat, and we don't have the length of season that you need to get figs. On top of that, this is in a hoop house. So it's August 31st, and this is the first fig we have. And just to give you a sense of our space here, we have all of our figs growing in a hoop house. With our cool summers, this is really what we need. We let them grow every year, and then if necessary, we will prune them. Another great thing about Florea is that it's pretty cold hardy. We get mild winter temperatures, but 2 years ago our temperature was 10 degrees Fahrenheit as a low, which is the lower end of zone 8A, and it tested all our trees, and Florea came through okay. It survived. I think pretty sure it died back to the ground or close to the ground, but it came back and it's still producing fruit for us now. I've got the ripening up and down the tree right now. So let me just go ahead and pull a couple. These are pretty close to ripe. So we'll go ahead and pull them and see how they look. Okay, here we are. And let's take a look at what these look like inside. And those look pretty good. Let's take a taste here. Yeah, that's great. And like any fruit, nothing can beat the first fig of the year. It's fantastic. This is Florea fig. It's our first fig of the year, and it's a great one. Not only just because it's the first fig of the year, but it actually tastes pretty good. It ripens well here in our cool Pacific Northwest environment.